my name is Anshi. Myself, Alishma Anwar. Myself, Zuraida. We are from 8B class. Our project is about pollution. Pollution is really very harmful to environment and ecosystem. There are maybe three types of pollution, such as air pollution, water pollution is the contamination of rivers, river bodies like seas, oceans, lakes, aquifers, and groundwater, usually caused due to human activities. Moving on, reuse and reusable items like plastic bags, bottles, boxes, and more is also one of the ways to reduce the pollution. When soil is polluted, it can factories, mines, and transportation release harmful gas into air, and it can harm people. It can harm ecosystem.